Access to clean water is one of our most basic needs, yet millions lack it. Sustainable Development Goal 6 aims to secure clean water and sanitation for everyone. But achieving this requires urgent, effective monitoring of water quality and ecosystem health. Human activities and climate change are driving a global water quality crisis. To protect our rivers, lakes, and wetlands, policymakers must integrate biological monitoring into national and transnational frameworks, filling gaps in our current monitoring systems and providing a complete view of ecosystem health. Biological monitoring uses organisms like fish, plants, and insects to reveal changes in water quality over time. Biomonitoring gives us deeper insights into how pollution, habitat loss, and nutrient pollution affect river and lake ecosystems. Through harmonized, coordinated efforts, biomonitoring data can inform policies, guide sustainable water use, and shape investments for restoration. Global initiatives like the Freshwater Challenge are helping to drive these efforts. But it's time for countries to strengthen capacity building and stakeholder engagement to bring these solutions to scale. One global initiative leading the way is the Biodiversity and Biological Monitoring and Assessment workstream, a part of the World Water Quality Alliance. Its goal? To establish efficient, comparable monitoring practices across countries for inland water biodiversity and ecosystems. This initiative fosters the collection and sharing of essential data, supporting a unified global approach to biodiversity monitoring and water quality. Immediate action is needed to harmonize monitoring practices, leverage new technologies, and promote ecosystem-based management. With effective biomonitoring, we can support sustainable development practices for present and future generations.